Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to like repost on TikTok. In sum, the repost button on TikTok allows you to share a video that another user has uploaded. This is similar to function on other social networks. TikTok also adopted the repost feature. So, users can share others' videos to the For You feed and on the repost feed in users' accounts. To repost on TikTok, follow these videos. Go to your TikTok, go to the For You feed, click on Share, the icon with an arrow below the comments button. Then, tap on the Repost option, a yellow button with white arrows. Now, the repost will then show up on the For You feed and under Repost tab in your account. Tap your profile here and select Repost icon. If you are public, everyone will be able to see your repost. Although the term is the same as on Instagram, the video you repost will now appear on your profile feed. If you want to like this post, double tap the screen or tap the heart icon. Although the term is the same as on Instagram, reposting on TikTok has some differences from other social networks. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.